Hi everyone, my name is Tara Hunter and I will be your instructor for this course. This course is HMSE 2000 Health and Sports Terminology. This course is completely online and much of it is self-driven, which means you will be working through the course primarily by yourself individually at your own pace. However, there will be due dates assigned throughout the semester. This course, like I said, is all online, so we'll be using a online platform through Cengage, and it's called MindTap. In just a few minutes, we'll go through how to access that. But first, I wanted to welcome you all to the class, tell you a little bit about me, tell you about some expectations I have from you in this class, and then again, like I said, I'll show you how you will get set up with the course. So about me, I have my bachelor's and master's degree from the University of Memphis here in health promotion. I also have a bachelor's degree in nursing from the University of Tennessee Health Science Center. I have 2 little ones and a husband, and I'm a newer faculty member here, but again, I'm excited to work with you all this semester. Some expectations I have from you in this course. I expect all of you to be professional when reaching out to me through email, which you may have to do throughout the semester. I expect you to be polite and use professional etiquette. I also expect you to be on top of your deadlines and due dates. Those are all listed for you in your syllabus, and they will not change throughout the semester. I also send a weekly email to remind you about the due dates, but it is primarily your responsibility to stay on top of those. I do not accept late work, except for extreme circumstances that can be documented. So I will say that again. I do not accept late work. So please stay on top of your due dates. There's also no extra credit in this course. So all of the assignments that you see is what you get. There's nothing extra. So please, like I said, work through this course. I think all of you will really enjoy it, but please work through it and stay on top of the deadlines. So lastly, what I want to show you is how to navigate through eCourseware and then how to get into MindTap, which is what you'll be using. So here I am in our course here. You can see we're in the 410 section. That is your section. So we're first going to go to Content here. Under Content, you will see on the left-hand side the Getting Started tab. This tab is going to take you to where you can find the syllabus. Please read the syllabus and then reread it. Everything you need to know is in that syllabus. You can also watch a video here. This is just a short tutorial on how to register through MindTap. There's also a little video here on how to download the MindTap mobile app. Many students find that they like using the app to complete the pronunciation tests that we have. They just find that their phone has a better quality speaker, so they use their phone to do the pronunciation test through the app. So you may want to look into doing that. And then lastly, this last link right here is where you will actually access MindTap. So when you first click in here, it will show you a different screen, and it will actually ask you to register. But once you're registered and you pay for the course, you will have access to this, and this is our actual class. And you will work through each chapter. The first week you'll be working through chapter 1. And you'll see here on the side, anything that says counts towards a grade is going to be due at the set time. So you can see here it unlocks January 13th, and it's going to be due January 20th at 11:59 p.m. So like I said, please stay on top of these due dates. And you can see here, Chapter 2, due January 27th. You do not by any means have to complete every activity that's listed here. I do suggest doing them to get practice and, really learn your material, but only the ones that say count for a grade are the ones that are due. But, of course, you start with reading the chapter and then working through the assignments until you feel ready to complete the graded assignments. One other thing I'd like to mention is that you can get a free trial period with Cengage or MindTap. So if at the beginning of the semester you don't have your financial aid yet, or you're having some financial issues, some students opt for getting the free tutorial, free trial through Cengage, and that is okay, but you will eventually have to pay for the access to this course. So please be aware of that. This has just been a little demonstration on how to get into the course and get started. If any of you have any questions, please reach out to me as soon as possible so that we can go ahead and get started working through those difficulties. I look forward to having you all through the semester. And again, if you need anything, just please reach out to me and email me. Thanks.